Advanced Clinicals, Peptide Serum, 1.75 fluid ounces, 52 milliliters. Product Overview Description: 6x visible results from Day 1 Anti-Wrinkle Face Serum visibly softens wrinkles with 6x peptides target fine lines, wrinkles, redness, eye bags and puffiness, wrinkles, crow's feet and eye bags, fine lines. Visibly softens wrinkles with 6 peptides. Acetyl Hexapeptide-8, Palmitoyl Tripeptide-1, Palmitoyl Tetrapeptide-7, Peptide-18, Palmitoyl Tripeptide-37, Quinoa Peptide-58. Benefits: visibly reduced wrinkles and creases for a firm, well-rested appearance. Diminishes the look of crow's feet and puffiness around the eyes. Attributes: weightless hydrating serum, refreshes dry, rough skin. Paraben-free, gentle for all skin types. Technology: features 6x powerful peptides, proven to diminish the look of premature aging. Enriched with 13 organic antioxidant botanicals to fight free radicals and deliver brightening boost. Results: instantly aquifers, increase hydration levels by 88%. 1 week skin feels softer, smoother and firmer. 1 month reduces crow's feet and eye bags up to 37%. Suggested use: start with clean, dry skin. Dispense a few drops. Warm the serum between your palms and press onto your face and neck. Follow with your favorite Advanced Clinicals moisturizer if additional hydration is needed. Other ingredients: water, aqua, glycerin, barosmolis, apple, fruit extract, PEG 12-dimethicone, aloe barbadensis leaf juice, sodium hyaluronate, acetyl hexapeptide-8, Palmitoyl Tripeptide-1, Palmitoyl Tetrapeptide-7, Peptide-18, Palmitoyl Tripeptide-37, Quinoa seed extract, Rosa damascena fruit extract, soluble collagen, butylene glycol, carbomer, Centella asiatica extract, Camellia sinensis leaf extract, Punica granidum extract, Rubus fruticosus, blackberry, fruit extract, Coffea robusta seed extract, Vaccinium macrocarpon, cranberry, fruit extract, Vitis vinifera, grape, leaf extract, Euterpia oleracea fruit extract, Arctostaphylos uvaceae leaf extract, Lycium barbarum fruit extract, Morinda citrifolia fruit extract, Robusta eus, raspberry, fruit, Ristatelia chilensis fruit extract, polysorbate 20, tetrasodium glutamate diacetate, tocopherol acetate, Brassiciola raceacephala leaf extract, xanthan gum, phenoxyethanol, fragrance, caproyl glycol, ethoxyl glycerin, hexylene glycol, citric acid. Warnings: caution, for external use only. If irritation develops, discontinue use. If product enters eye, flush thoroughly with water. If accidentally ingested, contact a physician. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.